Now, 7 weather with meteorologist Julie
Well,
Durden.
this morning we started off with some dense fog that affected inland Broward and Miami-Dade. Then the fog basically lifted. We had the clouds roll in, and we've been seeing some isolated showers since then. All of this activity is associated with a frontal boundary that now is just moving in towards Lake Okeechobee. Ahead of it, there are some scattered showers that have pushed through South Florida. Our wind flow is moving in from the southwest. It's warm and it's humid out there. It feels more like summer instead of fall, I gotta tell you. Now we are seeing a mix of sun and clouds, so that sun is definitely warming us up. We are expecting our temperatures to stay well above average for this afternoon. We are seeing that line of showers, though, still hanging on throughout portions of Miami-Dade and Broward. We are seeing one cell right over Dania Beach, Hollywood, Pembroke Park saw an isolated sprinkle. Also more showers staying offshore for now throughout most of the activity down by the Keys. But most of the heavy rain is staying up towards the north, all associated with that frontal boundary. Now, the front is expected to weaken even further as it pushes towards the south. So we may only see just some scattered showers in the forecast. It will not be a complete rain event. Temperatures are warming up with that sunshine out there. 85 degrees in Pompano Beach, 82 in Fort Lauderdale and Pembroke Pines with a south wind in place, 81 in Miami, 84 in Miccosukee, 86 in Homestead, and down by the Keys a temperature of 81 in Key West and 84 in Marathon. So this frontal boundary moved through the southeast United States yesterday, and it brought some very strong storms. Some severe weather actually broke out from Alabama all the way up towards Virginia. The worst of the weather has pushed offshore. There is still some showers falling for Washington, D.C., up towards New York and Boston, and then a very thin line of showers just north of Lake Okeechobee. That's the very tail end of the cold front. I want to show you the storm reports. Boy, our friends from Alabama up towards Virginia had to deal with about 13 tornadoes that were reported. You can see there's 88 total reports of storms between a wind gust, wind damage, hail, and tornado activity that occurred with the system. The good news for us is that, as I mentioned, is continuing to weaken. As it is weakening, there is plenty of cold air behind that system. Look at this, 20s, 30s, 40s, and 50s throughout the southeast. We've got the 40s towards the northeast. We are the warmest city of the U.S. in the state of Florida. We are seeing 81 degrees. Temperatures in northern Florida are in the 50s. Now, that cold air will start to settle towards the south, but it won't be making its way down here to South Florida. We're going to see a minimal drop in our temperatures once the front clears. But throughout the day, we'll stay ahead of it, so we'll stay warm with above average temperatures, muggy with a chance of showers. High pressure will rebuild tonight as that front continues to stall out over the Keys. It'll be pleasant as we will see our humidity levels go down and that breeze pick up Friday, Saturday, and into Sunday. Going to the marine forecast, there is a threat of rip currents. It looks as though they have canceled it. Miami-Dade and Broward, the bay will be at a light chop. For the lower Keys, no advisories. Nearshore waters at a light chop. Highs today well above average in the mid-80s. Late afternoon storms possible. Lows in the upper 60s and lower 70s. Windy to breezy conditions as we go into the weekend will be dry with seasonal highs in the lower 80s by Saturday. Have a great day.